This is a tour of room 2289 in Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. So as we come in, there always seems to be some big artwork on most hotels these days as you come in. It's a dude staring right back at you. As we turn around, we can go straight into the bathroom through some double doors. And I do like the bathrooms in Planet Hollywood. I find them to be very, very spacious. The shower itself is quite large, and looking at it, it is quite clean. It maybe could do with a tighter clean, but all in all, it's one of the cleaner showers I've seen in a Vegas hotel. You have a separate area here for your toilet, and it does indeed close off with a proper door. And I love the tiling artwork that they have over the tub. There's something so serene about it. The tub itself was fairly clean. It's nice and deep, so for those long days where you just need to have a soak, I think it works quite well. Over here, the vanity area is clean, it's large and it's tidy, and although it's a double room, it does only have the single sink, but that's not too much of an issue. The mirror that we have in here is large, and I think it's what makes the light so bright in here because there's a lot of reflection. Coming back into the room, there's a door into the room next door if you had someone staying there. Beds are very comfortable, and I do like in some Caesars hotels they have this little place that you can put your phone and wirelessly charge it. Lamp's a bit wonky, but hey, it's one little lamp, it doesn't matter. I do find the windows a tad small in Planet Hollywood, but that doesn't deter too much from the room itself. This area where we have the paper cups is quite large. Big, massive TV on the wall. And if you're somebody who has to do a little bit of work, there is a nice little desk area right here. The fridge is empty, so you can put your stuff in there, and there is no minibar in here. Some drawers for extra space if you have some clothes you wish to put in there if you're staying for a period of time. And you'll find the safe inside this wardrobe along with an iron, some coat hangers, and that little thing that you can put your suitcase on. Turning around and having a look outside, it is a strip view. And I do like these rooms with a strip view. They're so nice in the evening when it's dark and you can see the fountains. The windows are a little bit dirty, as you can see. They do need a bit of a clean on the outside, but all in all, I think it's a very nice and very comfortable room here at Planet Hollywood.